Hello, fantastic Herzing students. Dr. Stan Reilly here. In this brief video, let me just share with you just something new that has been communicated to me so that I can communicate it to you. Your feedback about how the courses are going and how they are facilitated is very important to Herzing University. Very, very important. This information that we collect from you helps us to reassess or keep on doing what we're doing, change, modify, adopt, embrace, all the things that we need to do to make sure that our courses are robust and targeted and helpful and beneficial to you, and that the way they are presented and the way they are constructed and the way they are carried out are all in your best interest. So this is why Herzing University provides mid-course surveys in addition to the surveys that you typically complete at the end of the courses, okay? But what I wanted to tell you is that we, as I understand it to be for now, the Herzing University has asked me to relay to you that in order for you to proceed into the next weeks ahead, you must complete the survey during week 4. All right? So in order for you to progress into week 5, you must complete the mid-course survey that's located in the People tab before Sunday at midnight Central Time. All right? So make sure that you do that. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your advisor or to me, and I'll do my best to respond to you. All right, well, that's it. Take care and have a great week.